This coach has one sliding twin bed. It's available to get this option on both sides, but this customer chose to just get it on the one side. There's a button down here. And this comes out. Like that, electronically. And these two bolsters go in behind this mattress. I don't have anybody here to hold the camera, so I'm going to stop this and put them together. So this is with the bed extended. This is 4 feet wide and 74 inches long. So it makes a nice comfortable bed. And it's very strong. It's all steel frame. And as you see, it has an electric motor that drives it. You still can walk through, get to the bathroom. You still have your other twin bed over here. Another thing I want to point out, this coach was built with no shirt closets. This was ordered special for the customer that bought it. So no shirt closet. Makes it feel nice and wide open, and we have a TV built in here. We still have a lot of storage here, and motion sensor here so the light comes on when you put your hand in there.